Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use one-click lens switching on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. So, luckily for us, this is very easy to achieve. All you want to do is you want to take your device, go into camera, and whenever you are in the photo, video mode, master, or basically any mode, maybe except, I don't know, panorama, no, it even has zoom as well, we can see a little numbers here, and they are basically standing for the zoom. We can go into the macro level, or we can just slowly zoom in like that. Now I can test this on this plant, for example, so I can take a, let's gain focus, so I can take photo, and then I can just click on this and do another one, click on that, do another, on 6th, which will actually switch the lenses, so we can do another, and finally the 10 times zoom, which will work like this. Now I can actually show you the pictures. We don't really care about that. And as you can see, the quality of the pictures is actually pretty good. So yeah. Also, we know this is technically one-click switching, but I still want to mention that you can also press and hold this, and now you will see a little wheel like that, and we have the ability to actually change it kind of smoothly. We don't really have to do that. And we also have the ability to go even further than 10 times zoom, but I know that this will no longer be an actual, like we can even do 100 zoom, but this is a very bad zoom because it's not like real. It will only be, I can almost see the pixels if we do this, so yeah. But for one-click switching, we can always just click that and we are good. We can also have the ability to change the different millimeters, which should stand for different lenses we have, for example. So you can see that this is, we are clicking the still 3 times zoom, but we have slightly different zoom as well, which I believe is pretty cool. But only the free option has that. And by doing that on 10 times zoom, we have something called telephoto zoom, so yeah. But anyway, that is all for this video. If you found it useful, or if you have some other tips and tricks for lenses and zoom in our OPPO Find X9 Ultra, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And if you don't have any, you can still leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!